Subscribe my channel Pam Station and click the bell icon to get notification for more videos.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Pam Station, and my name is Pam. Last time I shared my review on UrbanBotanics the aloe vera gel. I hope you liked it, and if you have not yet watched it, I will share the link in my description box or somewhere on the I button above. You can check that as well. Now UrbanBotanics also have another product apart from the aloe vera gel. I also tried this rose water. So many rose waters are there in the market, so I wanted to try. I was just checking out in the Amazon.in, and there I found out UrbanBotanics only. I like the aloe vera gel, so I thought of giving a try of the rose water. Now let me tell you, the packaging, it's like this. It's in the spray form, so I really love the, first of all, I love the packaging of this rose water because this rose water is a perfect toner right after your face scrub, or having a, when you take a bath or washing your face. Whenever you wash your face, you need to use this toner twice in a day, morning and before going to bed. So right after you're washing your face, I apply this toner, and this is, I will tell you, the smell of this. If you ever have kept rose petals in water in a bowl, the smell of roses, it's pure, the rose petal, it's same as if the rose petals are there in this. So I would say it is also mentioned there, it's 100% pure and natural rose water. I will show close up somewhere in my video. It is mentioned as 100%. So the smell is also like the rose petals, and I will share with you if there is. So there is no color. It's there is no color. It's transparent water. There is no color, and you can also use this on your hair as well. I have not tried this applying on your hair. On my hair, it's mentioned you can use this on your face. You can use it on your hair. पर मैंने हेयर में अभी तक ट्राई नहीं किया है. I will definitely try. If in case if I find something different, I will definitely share in my comment section. I use this on my face for a week, and I really liked it. It works as as a toner. The best thing is, this is 200 ml bottle, and the price of this is 399, but I got it for 249 rupees. It was on an offer on Amazon.in, and always Amazon there is some or the other offer going on. So if you plan to buy a good rose water, you can definitely give it a try. So it is free from chemicals, and there is no preservatives as well. So I keep this in my fridge to keep to extend the lifespan of this bottle, because as I told you, it's a pure rose water, so I don't want this to get spoiled. So it's you can either keep this in a cool dry place as well, but I prefer keeping in the fridge because it is pure 100% rose. So, and most of the rose water, if you have used it, you will feel little bit of stickiness on your face. बट जो डाबर गुलाबरी जैसा होता है, आपने अगर वो यूज़ किया होगा तो वो थोड़ा सा स्टिकीनेस फील होता है हाथ पे. मगर ये जैसे लगाते आप जैसे पानी स्प्रिंकल करते वक्त कोई स्टिकीनेस नहीं फील होता है, उसी तरह से ये भी काम करता है. यू नॉट फील स्टिकीनेस, एंड आई यूज दिस रोज वाटर मोस्टली ऑल्सो ऑन माई फेस पैक. In weekends, if I plan to use any face pack like or like dahi or besan, so I use a few drops of rose water in my pack as well, and I feel really refreshing. Nowadays sheet masks are in trend, so you really don't need that. But if in case when I feel the need and I want to use a besan or dahi on my face, I go ahead and also use rose water in my pack. So you can give it a try. It refreshes and reduces the restores the pH level in your skin, and it reduces the redness on your skin. If you find any kind of redness after if you're going for an eyebrows, or you remove your peach fuzz, or waxing or threading, after that you just spray this rose water, you will feel your skin is breathing. You will feel good after spraying this rose water right after doing your facial activities. So I would definitely suggest you to give it a try on UrbanBotanics rose water. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and share this video to all your friends and family. Stay blessed, stay happy. Bye bye.